Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to English class. My name is Tina and today I am here with the poem titled The Quirl. So as the title is saying, definitely this poem would be about quarrel, but quarrel among whom? So students, you know that you somehow quarrel with your brothers or sisters very often and you don't know the reason that why do you quarrel. Does it happen with you? कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम हमारे भाई बहनों से झगड़ा करते हैं, उनसे लड़ने लग जाते हैं और हमें खुद ही नहीं पता कि क्या रीज़न है कि हम क्यों झगड़ा कर रहे हैं. And this quarrel ends with the very generosity of one of you. जब कोई भी एक अपनी गलती प्यार से मान लेता है तो आपकी झगड़ा खत्म भी हो जाता है, आप एक दूसरे को माफ कर देते हैं, आप दोबारा खेलने लग जाते हैं. So this is a poem about a small quarrel between a brother and a sister. The poetess of this poem is Eleanor Parzian, who is describing a quarrel with her brother. Let's start reading the poem. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. The start of it was light, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. Now, what is the poetess saying in these lines? That once there was a quarrel between her and her brother and they were quarreling without any reason. They don't know what was the reason of their quarrel. One thing gave way to another and in this manner their quarrel burst out. अब उन दोनों को नहीं पता क्या रीज़न है कि वो क्यों लड़ रहे हैं. एक के बाद एक आर्ग्यूमेंट्स होते गए और अचानक से वो लड़ाई बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई. In the starting it was modest, it was slow, it was not serious, but gradually, slowly it grew intense and it became very serious. Her brother was saying he was right, but she knew that he was wrong, but she was right. Means दोनों ही अपनी गलती नहीं मान रहे थे, दोनों कह रहे थे कि मैं सही हूँ, भैया कह रहे थे मैं सही हूँ और मैं कह रही थी मैं सही हूँ. दोनों ही अपनी गलती नहीं मान रहे थे और वो फाइट बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई. Next, what happened? We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on my back and said, "Oh, come along. We cannot go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Now, when the quarrel was very intense, very serious, they were not talking to each other. They were not looking at each other's face. Even till evening, their afternoon became very boring, very sad. They didn't play, they didn't chat with each other, they didn't have good times. So, the poetess is saying that their afternoon turned black. But the brother of the poetess, he realized his mistake. He came forward. He patted poetess back and said that they should patch up. They should not carry on this fight for so long, for the all night. So the poetess also forgave and forgave his brother and they both patched up and made one. So students, I hope you can relate this story with your own brother and sister. कई बार हम भी घर पे ऐसे ही करते हैं, हमारे भाई बहनों के साथ ऐसे ही लड़ाई हो जाती है, हमें पता नहीं होता है क्यों, लेकिन जब एक आके हमसे सॉरी बोलता है, कहता है कि मेरी गलती है, आप प्लीज़ माफ़ कर दो, हम दोबारा साथ खेलेंगे, तो आप जल्दी से उन्हें माफ़ भी कर देते हैं और आप दोनों मिलकर वापस खेलने लग जाते हैं. So I hope you enjoyed this poem. Let's quickly revise it. This poem is about a quarrel between a brother and sister. Eleanor Parzian, the poetess of this poem, wrote it when she had a quarrel with her brother. They quarreled without any reason, and slowly their quarrel became very intense, very serious. This much serious that they even didn't talk to each other, didn't look at their face, and their afternoon became very sad, very boring. In the evening, her brother realized that we could not continue this fight till the night. So he came to the sister and asked forgiveness and asked to make up with her, to patch up with her. This also shows the generosity of brother, that how lovingly he came to his sister and also seek forgiveness. So students, if there is a fight between you and your brother sister, don't be so harsh, don't be so rude, accept your mistake and seek forgiveness from one another. So I hope you have understood and also enjoyed this video. If you find any query, if you want to ask anything, you can call me anytime. Thank you for being with me. Take care.